Welcome to another video of Mortality. So in today's video we are actually cleaning our equipment. So after every cycle, before you start another cycle, what you gotta do is to actually disinfect, clean your chicken house. As the other day we were busy cleaning our chicken house, so in today's video what we're doing over here, we are actually cleaning our equipment. So we have our small drinkers, our big drinkers, our jumbo feeders. We also have our small feeders over there, our food bath. So you normally disinfect everything that you use in a chicken house before you go into another cycle. So basically that's what I'm going to be doing today. Just going to be showing you how I do it. So over here I've mixed water with a standard liquid, but sometimes you can use a G. You can use Virokill. It depends with you which product you prefer to use, but any product that can disinfect, it's still okay.
You